I made $1 million by 23. Here's how it all started. Growing up, I always had an entrepreneurial spirit. I was the kid selling lemonade on the corner, mowing lawns in the neighborhood, and even starting a small car washing business with my friends. I was always looking for ways to make money and create my own opportunities. When I turned 18, I decided to take a risk and invest in the stock market. I had saved up a few $1,000s from my various odd jobs and decided to put it all into a few promising companies. I spent hours researching and analyzing different stocks, trying to predict which ones would have the most potential for growth. To my surprise, my investments paid off. Within a few months, I had doubled my initial investment. I was hooked. I started investing more and more, diversifying my portfolio and taking calculated risks. I was constantly reading financial news, studying market trends, and learning as much as I could about the stock market. By the time I was 21, I had made my first million. It was a surreal feeling, knowing that I had achieved such a significant milestone at such a young age. But I didn't stop there. I continued to invest and grow my wealth, always looking for new opportunities to expand my portfolio. One of the keys to my success was staying disciplined and not letting my emotions dictate my decisions. I learned to take a step back and look at the bigger picture, rather than getting caught up in the day-to-day fluctuations of the market. I also surrounded myself with knowledgeable and experienced mentors who could offer guidance and advice. Another important factor was being willing to take risks. I knew that in order to make significant gains, I had to be willing to take calculated risks and step outside of my comfort zone. This meant investing in new and emerging industries, as well as being patient and willing to ride out the inevitable ups and downs of the market. But perhaps the most important lesson I learned was the value of hard work and perseverance. Building wealth takes time and effort, and there were many late nights and early mornings spent researching, analyzing, and strategizing. But it was all worth it in the end. Now at 23, I have a net worth of over $1 million. It's a surreal feeling, knowing that I have achieved financial independence at such a young age. But I know that this is just the beginning. I have big plans for the future, including starting my own business and continuing to grow my wealth through smart investments. I made $1 million by 23, but it wasn't luck or chance that got me here. It was a combination of hard work, discipline, and a willingness to take risks. And while the journey wasn't always easy, it was definitely worth it. I can't wait to see what the future holds and continue to build on my success.